Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm down at one of my local beaches, looking beautiful. I'm here with Darcy Wallace. Got the boys going out to try and get some fish today. Hopefully some snooks, whiting, and maybe a few snapper, flathead if we're lucky. But yeah, we'll see you in the water.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your
I'm down at the local, looking absolutely sexy. It's currently about 6 a.m. I mean. I'm here with Darcy, like usual. We just rode down from my house. Didn't take too long. You can see there's a few boats out there. But yeah, it doesn't matter. We'll try and get out there, show those guys up and get some fish. We got some bait here that we bring with us that we're gonna use for some burley. As you can see in here, it's just some like, what do you get, Darcy? Mullet or whatever?
Yeah, shit like that.
Mullet, salmon kind of stuff, just that stinky stuff to bring in the fish. Okay. So yeah, we'll see you out in the drink. fucking these dogs, and there was a bunch of snapper down there from when I burleyed up. So then we just gutted him, tried to use that shit as burley, and now all these fucking. Alright guys, we're back into land now. Had a pretty good dive. Got this nice guy right here. Good sized snook. Pretty big. Estimate of maybe about 65 centimeters. Pretty good size. Got a beautiful headshot on him just here. So yeah. We were out there for about close to 3 hours. Wind's starting to pick up. It's about 12 o'clock now. Wind's starting to pick up. And yeah, so I think we might go out just shallow around here just to try and get some flathead. I think the plan is. So that'll take about, I don't know, 10 minutes, and then come back and cook this bad boy up for some lunch. So yeah, see you then. Alright guys, we're back home now. We've got the nice beautiful fillets right here, as you can see. This part just broke off of here, but all good. We got those 3 fillets. Got just the fry pan here. We're gonna cook them up from them and whatnot. And yeah, we're just gonna chuck some panko crumbs on this plate and some egg in there. You know how you do it. So yeah, we'll get straight to cooking.